Nuts and bolts in the late night sky. Tinker's paradise built in the shed. Grease Monkey keeps the gears in his head.
Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. I want to make a quick video how to restore these bearings. This is an old rusty one. As you can see, it came out of a differential on a lawn tractor. So it doesn't want to move right now. So we're going to take these caps off. You just pry them off, one on both sides. You take a little small like flathead screwdriver. So we're going to pry them off just carefully so we don't break them, and yeah. Okay guys, after you pry them off like this, set them off to the side. Do the same with the back side. And then we're going to soak this in some WD-40, or you can use like transmission fluid, automatic transmission fluid. Soak it in it for a couple hours, and then we can go to, after it comes out of the WD-40 mix or transmission fluid. It's gonna look like this. It's still got some rusty bits in it, so we take a handy dandy air gun, aim it in the right place, and spin it up to speed. And now it should be all cleaned out. Every little bit should be, if it keeps rotating like that, I mean, you definitely got everything. Hey guys, after you got all the parts clean, there's little retainer rings too with them, because this is a better brand bearing. So after it can free spool no problem. We're going to take some grease, pack it in here, and the proper way to do that is put a little bit of grease in your hand and scoop it to get the grease to go into all the nook and cranny. So after you got it packed with grease, you want to put your covers back on and then put your clips back. Okay guys, there we go. It's all nice and packed, and when you spin it, you don't hear no like crunching noises, or it spins nice and free, but not too free because the grease is holding it from spinning. So yeah, that's all done. So I'm gonna reinstall it, and that's all good. So hope you guys enjoy, and hope this little tip help you out. Bye bye.